Olive Briq basically has its roots in Inhabitat, Greece, southern Greece, where it's one of the olive oil capitals of the world. What used to be discarded in landfills years ago was the remnants of that olive oil industry, which was the olive pits, which is essentially an alternate source of wood. But this wood grows on trees. We don't actually use trees. So we actually like to promote that we help stop deforestation. But when we crush these olive pits, you get a beautiful crushed olive pit wood, which many years ago we learned in Europe that you can use it as an alternate source of fuel, biomass, which powers a lot of furnaces and kilns in the southern Mediterranean. Well, from that industry, surely you would have had more waste, which is what you see here. And we have the black dust, and this black dust is basically charred olive pit wood. Well, that gets pressed with an organic vegetable starch, and you get these beautiful briquettes, which kind of gives you that nice feel that you got to cook with a nice briquette now that has this great environmental story behind it, where we're reusing waste multiple times. And it's earned many awards in Europe for the fact that it does all that. Olive Briq, it doesn't smoke when it burns, and it has extreme heat. The heat value is 834, okay, but it gets north of 900 at times. So it's got an incredible heat rate as well, which means you can use less